Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable and use one-handed mode in OPPO Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. Okay, to enable it, first go to settings. Okay, now in settings, if we go in additional settings, here you can see additional settings, tap on it. So here we have one-handed mode, tap on one-handed mode. So here you can see the one-handed mode. Swipe down at the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. Okay, and swipe up or tap the area at the top of the screen to exit. And now tap here to enable it. So you can see to turn on one-handed mode, you need to enable navigation gestures first. Go to settings and enable navigation gestures first. Okay, now go back and turn on the one-handed mode. Okay, now what you have to do, swipe down at the bottom of the screen to go in one-handed mode like this, you can see, and tap outside to again go in full screen mode. Here you can see, just open an application and you can see, just swipe down to the bottom edge to go in one-handed mode like this. You can see now Google Chrome is in one-handed mode, and tap outside to again go in full screen mode. Here you can see, just swipe down at the bottom of the screen to go in one-handed mode like this, and tap outside to again go in full screen mode. This is the really easy method. You can see, tap outside to again go in full screen mode. So guys, this is the method to use one-handed mode in OPPO Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.